So let me go ahead and start recording here. Thanks guys for swinging by UltimateBoxBreaks.com. We got Dual Elite and Inception round number 4 of the night. And here's everybody in the break. Why does Trent Richardson just pop out to me right now? I don't know. For some reason I'm feeling that. Why? Why? He's hurt. Alright. So last box down here on this side, and we have all of those 4 boxes there. And then I actually have another case of Inception. Oh, look at this mess. It's unbelievable. And there we go. So, let's start with Elite. Alright. So, you know, Thursday nights are my favorite for box breaks, and Friday nights too. So we'll have some boxes to do then. Andre Johnson, Nate Washington, nice. For the Redskins, going to Paulie E. That's RG3. And that is 807 out of 999. Steve and Eric Gary. And Christian Ponder, Stevie Johnson, and actually I haven't seen any of him yet. But this is Luke Kalichi, an autograph, and that is 55 out of 199. Is that his number? I don't know. But anyway, to the Panthers he goes. Sid H, Matt Ryan, Eli Manning. Darren McFadden, Tony Romo, BJ Coleman, 496, 999. To the Pack, Little, Heath Miller. Michael Vick, Vaughn Miller, and the gold, Ruben Randall, 34, 149. To the Giants, Kevin S., Peyton Hillis, Antonio Gates. Vernon Davis, Maurice Jones, and Vic Ballard, 434, 999. To the Colts, Andia, Greg Jennings, Chris Johnson. So like I was saying about the Fantasy Football League, so there's going to be first place prize. There's only 14 spots, actually 13 because I'm getting in it. First prize is going to be Exquisite, a box of Exquisite for yourself. Second is going to be Panini Momentum. Third is going to be a $120 box. I don't know where. There's also going to be a free box break for the draft day, which is September 1st. And then each week, whoever has the highest points will get a $10 gift card for the website as well. So more details on that. Robin W. is going to be heading up the league, which would be fantastic. Michael Turner, Darren Sproles, and Nick Perry for the Packers, 91, 399. Adrian Peterson, Freddie Jackson. So I believe the entry fee, though, it's kind of steep, but you're playing with the big boys, and you guys are gurus too. I'm nervous. Devin Hester, Big Ben, Pent Anger for the Colts, 441, 999. But it'll be, I want to say it's going to be $100 to get in. So Plaxico Burress, DeMarcus Ware, and that covers the boxes, the PayPal fees, you name it, all that good jazz. Roy Halu, Ben Jarvis, Ryan Lindley, 31 out of 999, but it'll be exclusive. It's the first year ever. Matt Castle, Ray Rice. So that'll be kind of neat. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that as well. It'll be up soon. Patrick Willis, Matt Schaub, Desmond Bishop, 42 out of 49. So Packers cleaning up on the little guys. Kevin S., Charles Woodson, LeGarrette Blount. So it'll be kind of a, no pun intended, elite group of you guys. Oh. Can't believe we're just seeing one of my favorites play Matthews. You guys realize I have to keep myself entertained, right? Frank Gore, Mendenhall, Stafford, and New Breed Ronnie Hillman. For the Bronx, 179, 399. It's going to David P., Marquise Colston, Andy Dalton. Wes Welker, Vincent Jackson, Craftsman, Miles Austin, 447, $9.99. Joe Flacco, Ndamukong Suh. So just a couple packs left of Elite, round 4, and then you guys still have your box of Inception. Then we'll get on to round 5, and that'll be the last one of the night. Peyton Manning, Kevin Cobb, Drew Brees, Mark Sanchez, James Laurinaitis. Jay Cutler, Arian Foster, Valued Collector. I believe that's a filler. Just kidding. Dwayne Bowe, Ray Lewis. So this is going to be Status Signatures die cut going to the Bengals. Kevin S. Cleaning House. Dre Kirkpatrick. Good deal, brother. Nice hit. Brian Arepko, Tom Brady, Steve Smith. And that is $133, $9.99. Brandon Jacobs, AJ Green. Larry Fitz, Brian Urlacher, Ryan Lindley. And that's $112, $3.99 to the Cards. Reggie Bush, Deshaun. Tim, Tavares Jackson, Blaine Gabbert, Willis McGahee, Marshawn Lynch. Julio Jones, Jimmy Graham, LaMichael James, 644, $7.99. Jamal Charles and Rowdy White. Rob Gronk, Steve Smith, Elite of Maurice Jones-Drew, 64, $9.99 to the Jags. Anquan Bolden, Darrelle Revis. Last pack of Elite, then you got a box of Inception. Time to get up, own it. Alex Smith, Reggie Wayne, Beanie Wells, Josh Freeman, Brandon Marshall. That'll do it for Elite. We'll go ahead and get the Inception ready for us. Right, here we go. No thick, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything at all. Ndamukong Suh for the Lions, going to John S. And we have LaDainian Tomlinson for the Jets, base card. And we have Michael Vick for the Eagles, 43, $252. We got Ray Rice, 29, $123 for the Ravens. And we got Nicholas Toon on card auto there. For the Saints, Sid H. It is. Then the Bucks. Come on, man, Sid H. You got to spread around the hits, right? Nice Doug Martin on card auto. And then, last hit for the Dolphins. Going to Andy L, big old Ryan Tannehill. And that's 23 out of 75. So that will do it for round number 4. Let me go ahead and save this video.